Hello friends, do you really want to speak English? If yes, this video is very helpful and important for you. You don't need to learn high bombastic words, phrasal verbs, idiomatic expressions, and slangs. Whenever you speak, you must speak easy, simple, and plain English. The first difficulty is generally faced by the learners from where they start. A question comes in their mind whether they should learn scary grammar rules and pronunciation of the language. Here, the language means the phrases and sentences which are generally used to communicate. In the beginning, there is no need of grammar rules. Grammar is just a tool that tells us what is right or wrong in the language. You must focus on the contents. I am going to tell you the easiest and best method of learning a language. You can start learning from the vocabulary of your body, house, and the things which are generally used in a house and a classroom. For example, you are a person, a boy, a girl, a teacher, a student, a woman, a man, a businessman, a neighbor, a doctor, a nurse, an engineer, etc. Whatever you use in your house, for example, mobile phones, televisions, refrigerator, fan, watch, clock, mirror, bed, mat, carpet, table, stool, sofa, cups, glasses, a number of things you see in your room, classroom, kitchen, in your locality and surroundings. You should write all the words in a diary and look up their meanings with phrases and their example sentences in a monolingual dictionary, either online or offline. For example, I am an English coach, an English teacher, a person, a man, an old man, not a young man, a child, son of my parents, a brother of my sisters, the son, the father of my children, husband, friend, uncle, sir, etc. Find out all the meanings of these words with example sentences. It is essential for learning English. You think I'm kidding, joking? No, I am not joking. You think that you know the meanings of all these words. Do you know all these words in English? Not your not in your own language. Do you know all these words with many example sentences? I know your answer. A big no. I'll give you some examples of these words so that you can understand my point. I have used a sentence. I'm an English coach. First of all, we should know the word English. English is the name of a language which is used in Britain, the US, the Australia, and some other countries like India, Pakistan, Nepal, etc. Do you speak English? Can you speak English fluently? Can you write a letter in plain English? Plain English that is easy to understand. He decided to major in English. He is an English teacher. What grade did you get in English? Let's take another word of vocabulary. Coach. A coach is one who trains someone in a particular sport or who gives private lessons professionally to the students so that they can pass the exams or learn a language. The head coach, the assistant coach, a basketball coach, a football coach, the team coach, the England coach, the coach of the Indian cricket team, a coach with the Chicago clubs, a coach from the US Olympic team. He, for example, he is a former college football coach. She is a math coach. She is the coach of the volleyball team. The coach makes his decisions and he is the boss. As the coach was loaded on Sunday morning, the children looked on sadly. In this way, an English coach is one who gives English lessons privately and professionally. Let's take another word, teacher. Someone whose job is to teach, especially in a school. For example, he is a teacher, she was a high school teacher. We are teachers, not magicians. The teacher draws a diagram showing how the blood flows through the heart. It takes a lot of enthusiasm and a love of children to make a good teacher. My son has never been in trouble with his teachers before. In this way, we can learn much English. Thank you. Okay, bye bye.